We'll guide you through how to install Paint.net brushes. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to a trusted site where you can download Paint.net brushes, such as DeviantArt or BrushKing. Once you've found a brush set you'd like to use, download the file to your computer. These files are usually in a zip format, so you'll need to extract them before you can use the brushes. Right-click on the downloaded zip file and select Extract All. Choose a destination where you want the files to be extracted, like your desktop, to keep things simple. Next, go to the folder where you installed Paint.net. This is usually located in your program files on your C drive. Open the Paint.net folder and then open the Effects folder. This is where you will place the new brushes. Take the extracted brush files and copy or drag them into the Effects folder. Now, open Paint.net if it wasn't already running or restart it if it was. Go to the Effects menu at the top of the Paint.net window, and you should now see the new brushes you installed listed there. Simply select the brush you want to use and start creating your artwork. It's that easy. Remember, keeping your brushes organized in folders can help you find them more quickly in the future. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.